Welcome back to Student Forum. Today's video is one of the most requested ones. So let's carry on with today's topic, which is how to get student loan approved easily. Studying abroad is a dream for many. But, rejection of the education loan application takes them away from the dream. Let's begin with the eligibility criteria. These criteria are checked by banks for checking the eligibility of the loan applicant. Moving further, these are some important documents needed by the bank to improve your loan amount. And make sure you verify all your documents thoroughly before submitting. Now, here are some ways to get your education loan approved easily. Following this checklist will take you closer to your dream of studying abroad. Here are some tips to be considered before applying for an education loan. Make sure that you follow these tips so that your loan amount doesn't look like a burden to you. Benefits of education loan are as below. Thank you for watching the video.